Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you my new Boxycharm box. This is my very first one, but before I get into it, go ahead and click that subscribe and like button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Let's see, first off, it came with a card, which I didn't even really read it, but the card just says that the different products that's on the inside. And right here is a full-size palette by Hipdot. I've never tried this cosmetic line before, so this would be my first. Ooh, these are some really cute colors. I am definitely gonna do a makeup look in the near future using this palette. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. Looks like 8 shimmer colors. It actually has a mirror, which is hard to find sometimes. I did swatch a few colors just to see how pigmented it is, and I actually can't wait to use it. I did not expect a full-size palette, so I mean, hey, thanks. Let's see. The back says C Note pressed eyeshadow palette. Oh, it's animal tested, and it's animal test free, and it's vegan. So for those of you who are wondering, there you go. Now let's see. Moving on, it also came with another palette. This one is Venus 3 or Venus the Third. It's by Lime Crime, and this is another full-size palette. It's really cute in size. I love the packaging. Here's the colors. It's 8 different colors, and I did swatch these as well. I like how small it is. You can kind of travel with this. Very compact, and also this one has a mirror inside as well, which is not very common with palettes. So when you do get a palette with a mirror, I do get a little bit excited because it's just not common. Anywho, let's see, here's all the ingredients, and yeah, we're moving on pretty quick. BDB clear brow gel. This one is flake free, gentle hold, and I'm just actually excited about getting this because I was just thinking that I need some new brow gel, so I don't have to go purchase it now. There's not really a crazy smell to this, which I was very happy about. It just smells like regular old brow gel. I don't know how to explain that, but it's not a harsh smell. It didn't feel sticky. I will be trying it out, and then I'll give you further review on it. It does set in seconds according to the box, and I am looking forward to trying this as well. Now here's a lip oil by Cab. This is another line I've never ever tried out. This one does have 4 different flavors. The one I got is I believe it's called blueberry, but there is 3 more that come in this collection, and I think they retail from like $18 to $20. I like how smooth it is. Oh, and when you put it on, it's not necessarily too glossy, and it's not too oily, but when you do put it on your lips, it's blue in the container, but it does not show up blue on your lips, just in case you guys want to know that. So yeah, I do like this. I'm gonna keep this in my purse. because sometimes I might not want to wear lipstick or lip gloss, and I just want to, you know, moisturize my lips. This would be a good go-to for me. And it looks like a full-size container as well. I do like how all of the products so far are full-size products. So, and the membership that I signed up with is $25 a month, just so you guys know. Now moving on to the banana souffle moisture cream. This is calming and hydrating. It is the banana flavor. And yeah, let me get this tag off really quick. It has a glass container, which I like. It's kind of like when you take, well, when I put it on my face, I noticed that there was a like cooling sensation. Like it was very light. It didn't feel heavy. I actually thought it was going to be a heavy moisturizing feel. Like, you know, some moisturizers feel very, very heavy when you apply it to your skin. However, this one was not like that. It was very light. I was actually surprised about that. And it went a little bit, went a long way. So yeah, I'm going to try this out this whole week and see how it works for me. I love the smell. It smells really good. And like I said before, I like the container because it just feels like it feels expensive. It doesn't feel cheap. So it seems like it's a full size container as well. I don't know if I mentioned that before. And yeah, it's really soft on my hands. I might have to use this as a lotion too. Here's all the ingredients and the cautions. I'm actually probably going to put it back in the box until I'm ready to put it in my beauty room. But yeah, it's 50 ml and nice little full size. I don't know why I didn't sign up with Boxycharm a long time ago. Anyways, here's Maven Beauty's Rose Water Setting Spray. I was looking on, what do you call it? Fashion Nova, and they actually have this brand. And I just told myself I was going to try out this Rose Water Setting Spray. I actually have it in my cart, and it ended up coming in the mail. So I'm glad I didn't order it because I'm able to try it out. At first, I did not know it was going to come. I didn't know I was going to receive this, so it came by surprise. Yeah, it sprays out. It has a twist top. It smells good. I haven't gotten a chance to try it yet, but I will do it in one of my videos in the near future. So thank you, Boxycharm, for that. And I think that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye.